If you're managing multiple Facebook fan pages, you already know how painful it is to post Reels manually, logging in and out, uploading videos, writing captions, doing the same thing again and again every single day. Reels are powerful, but manual posting kills your time and makes it impossible to scale, and that's exactly why most people stop too early. First, you add your Facebook fan pages into MKT page. Each page runs in its own isolated browser environment, just like a real user device. Next, go to the posting feature and choose to post Reels. Select the video configuration. Then select the videos based on the quantity you want. You can enter the video description and hashtags, then click Creator Description. In this case, I will use the file name as the description. After that, click Save, allow duplicate video posting, and enable commenting after the post is published successfully. Since I'm doing affiliate marketing, I will place my link here. Or you can choose an image to include in the comment. After completing all the steps, click Start. The system will run silently in the background for you.